Welcome to our channel 1-2-Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Leedshomes account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Leedshomes Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll get to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your login credentials. So go ahead and enter your login reference. And in case if you don't remember your login reference, click on this link to recover it. After that, enter your memorable date. And if this is your first time login or you have forgotten your memorable date, you can click on this link to get started or recover your account. And if you don't have an account, you can register for a new account by clicking on this link. Once you have entered your login reference and your memorable date, you can click on the continue button. And on the next page, they will ask you to enter your password to your account. Go ahead and provide the correct information. And once you have provided your correct login credentials, click on the sign in or login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.